You've been tired all morning. You haven't had any good coffee yet. That is horrendous. So loud. We ready? Recording? My name's Llel, this is Break Magazine, and we're at Fat Cats in the UK, one of the UK's best motorsport venues. We've got multiple motocross tracks, trials bikes, we've got trail bike as well to ride today. This event is all about introducing GasGas as the brand and bringing it to you, the people. So now it's time to go ride. How was that? Was that all right?
What is it that makes you qualified to be reviewing bikes like this and giving people your opinions?
I'm good. Got a lot of humility as well, I think, in this stuff. You've got to be really humble as a person. And I've got a massive audience, you know, I've got 70,000 subs. So kind of, you know, probably that.
Didn't you crash earlier?
I told you to delete that. No. What is a GasGas? To answer that question, we need to roll back the clock. Back when enduro riding was about pink, purple, bum bags and filming on a potato, this was a GasGas, a niche, quirky Spanish brand that made great enduro bikes. They had rad color schemes, loads of two-strokes and a ton of financial issues. In 2019, GasGas was bought by the KTM group. Yep, the bright orange bikes that also own Husqvarna. The name, the colors and the heritage was brought in and applied to essentially the KTM range. Since then, it's been a pretty successful time for the marque. They've won Supercross races, kept winning trials events, and won the Dakar Rally. They seem to be doing pretty well in the lower MotoGP classes. To find out what a GasGas is in 2022, we're at the yearly press event, United in Dirt. All right. Mate, don't get my address in this. I don't want people turning up at the house. I don't want everyone seeing how shit I am at motocross. If we film it in slow-mo, it looks a bit better.
What does it mean to you to be a YouTuber?
You know, in 2022, I think us YouTubers they're the present and the future. You know, I think we're incredibly important for society. We're what people watch. I like to think of it as inspirational for the people. You know, I'm like Jeremy Clarkson, but relevant. We just finished motocross and it was amazing. Now we're gonna get to ride this big thing. Beautiful GasGas 690, the trail bike. No. What? Ah, shit, 700. All right. This is GasGas's first foray into street bikes, and they tell us this is a homage to the street bikes that GasGas made in the 90s and the late 80s. What do you do, Bruce?
I'm like mother hen. That's my problem.
Mother hen?
Yeah.
I'm about this sponsorship, you know, it's YouTube. YouTube's important, and yeah.
Do you make a lot from it?
No, I said no financials. We're not talking about that. I put that in the email already. I can't have people knowing that I make a lot of money from it. And I think the people see me as one of the people, do you know? They see me like them, they live through me, and if we change that, it just breaks it, man. Not okay. So, off the table. Don't tell anyone, but I'm destroyed.
Looks it.
Should we do a bit of intro bit before we go and ride trials bikes? So, we just finished the motocross track. It was amazing. Bike. I won!
How was your session with the trial school?
Yeah, it was good. It's easy, really, isn't it? You know, when you're good on a bike, you're good, and a motorcycle's a motorcycle. So that's that, really.
And what was the highlight of the day?
I think probably the motocross was really good. You know, it was awesome to ride some really spiced motocross bikes. Something. It was just really nice to get on the gas. Obviously, this is a satire. If you're this deep in the video and you haven't realised that yet, I'm not a prick. Well, I try not to be. We wanted to make a little bit of fun of ourselves as YouTubers. This day has been great. GasGas's were very nice to ride. They're enjoyable bikes. I don't have any reviews of them from today because that's not really what a day like this is about. It's about GasGas giving some brand exposure, and yeah, we wanted to poke a little bit of fun at that. I hope you enjoyed this video, and well, we'll see you in the next one.